How to turn on or off shares notifications on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off shares notifications on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. And once you are here, click on those three lines up there. You're gonna find the setting option at the bottom, click on it. In here, click on notifications. Scroll down until you find shares. Turn off or on this option notifies how many times your posts have been shared. Turn off this option if you don't want to get a notifications every time someone shares your posts, and turn it off whatever you want to. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.